Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to sign up for BitPay account. So let's go ahead and jump in straight into the video. Start off by open a web browser. Into the search box, type in bitpay.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official site for bitpay.com, which looks like this. BitPay is a payment processing service that allows business and individuals to accept and make payments in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. To get started and sign up for BitPay, click on the Get Started button at the top right-hand corner. Doing this will take you to this page from where you'll need to choose how would you like to use BitPay. You can choose either the personal option or the business option. Select why you are trying to use BitPay, and once you make your selection, go to the next field and fill in the rest of the information. Since I've selected the personal use option, it is asking me to enter the first name, last name, email and password I would like to use for the account. Simply go ahead and enter your first name in the first text box and then go to the next field and type in your last name. Now, in the email address text box, type in a valid email address you have access to. After it's done, go to the next field and type in a password. After typing in a password for your account, click on I agree box. If you'd like to receive promotional emails from BitPay, check the second box as well. If you don't want to receive it, leave it unchecked and click submit. Soon after you do that, you'll need to now check your email inbox. Open up the same email inbox that is associated with BitPay, and once you receive it, click it open. Now click on the complete verification button in order to complete your sign up. Soon after you are done verifying your email, click on continue, and you have successfully created a new account for BitPay. Once your account is set up, you can start using BitPay to accept or make cryptocurrency payments, but make sure to connect your wallet if you want to receive and manage cryptocurrency payments. So in order to do that, make sure you verify your account, which comes up with identity verification, so that you can make payments of any amount and gain access to new features for the platform. So that is how you can easily sign up for BitPay within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.